In this video, I'll show you T-method to fix every no sound issue on Windows. Let's start by rebuilding your entire audio system from scratch. Right-click the Start menu, then select Device Manager. Once it opens, scroll down and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Now right-click on each one and choose Uninstall Device. Repeat this for every audio driver listed. Once done, click the Action tab at the top and choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically reinstall the clean base version of your sound driver. Then restart your PC. If you still have no sound after reinstalling the drivers, this next method will fix it. Click Start, type PowerShell, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. When the blue window opens, type the following commands. Carefully, one by one, pressing Enter after each, wait a few seconds after each command. This sequence completely restarts Windows Core Sound Services, clearing out any stuck processes from the latest update. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe